Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how to create a Google Drive link. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Drive, and to move forward, wait for a while. Now if you're opening it in your phone, you have to change it into desktop side, so your screen will start giving you a desktop view where you can operate your drive more easily and more appropriately. Tap on Drive. It will start showing you all the files which you are going to send as a link. Now you have to tap on New. Click on New Folder. Name the folder. After giving name to your new folder, you have to choose file which you are gonna put in this folder and tap on Create. After creating it or while creating it, you can also upload a file from your device, from your gallery. Now tap on My Drive, and after scrolling a little down, you will find the option of Get Link. Tap on that. Now from here you can copy link or send your link to anyone you want to. This is how you can make link of your Google Drive. It is pretty much simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video. Following these steps, you can make a Google Drive link easily.